Sally, hope you're nice and warm in that air-conditioned studio. How fucking long are these guys gonna make me stand out here? Let's just start fucking rolling. What do we want me to do? Say g'day and say the same thing that I've said the last 3 days and be wrong? Mark, does Sally know I can still hear her? Does Sally know that she's still in my earpiece? Let's just do it. Let's just do it. Let's do it. G'day guys, Adam here from the Gold Coast. It is raining again. Cyclone Alfred is no longer a cyclone. It is just a big wet shitstorm. Gold Coast is rooted. Brisbane, shag. Water's already over the roads. Because the news made me come out here, the road that we used to get here is now flooded. So we're going to go Sarah route until this is over.